G'day guys, welcome back. Welcome to 2 Tickets and 1 Dream, and welcome to day 3 here at the Maldives. It's a little bit of an overcast morning. It tends to sort of drizzle, rain a little bit in the overnight, and then the morning's a little bit sort of overcast, but it clears up really quickly. We are being picked up any minute now and taken out for a dolphin tour, so that'll be exciting. I mean, there's no guarantee that we're going to see dolphins, but fingers crossed. Fingers crossed we're going to see some dolphins this morning, and they'll drop us back at the dock there, which is right next to the restaurant, for breakfast. So that's the plan for this morning. Wish me luck. Let's go see some dolphins. Here he comes. Good morning. There's a few turning points every now and then, so we can turn around. Otherwise, it's a long way to reverse. Lovely service, isn't it? I mean, you could walk if you wanted to, meet them down on the dock. We might as well take advantage of the fact. So it's at 6:15 now. So let's go. Good morning.
Good morning.
What did you say it was called? An eagle?
Ray.
Eagle Ray. Eagle Ray. Wow. We're just sitting on the back of the golf buggy, and the driver said, "Look, Eagle Ray." Wow. That is so cool. David swam over a ray yesterday, I think. Some dolphins. There they are. Whoa, but it's really rocky.
Excuse me, all people outside talking. Would not be no balance, okay? All people outside talking.
What's up with me? You could have
Well, that was a lovely hour or so looking at the dolphins. Oh yeah, there they are. And we're just going to head over there to the restaurant for coffee. I need a coffee. Haven't had our morning coffees yet, and some breakfast.
Need to wash my hands.
And just wash our hands, yes. And touching all those railings on the boat. But that was fun, and all included, complimentary. That's it there. Sunset. Good morning. Could I please have an omelette with everything except chili, please? Yes. Okay. Didn't know you could get eggs Benedict. We haven't actually looked at the a la carte menu yet. Maybe we should try that for dinner tonight.
Thank you very much.
David's one. I think I'm next.
Eat everything.
Pardon?
Everything.
Everything but no chili.
Hello, good morning.
Cheese. Thank you very much. There's a little bit of bacon ready, the rest of it's still cooking. I put it up on the bread to soak up the oil, which is a good idea, isn't it? All right, let's go. I have packed my beach bag. I got this lovely, huge one from Amazon before we left. It's called Body Surf, and it folds into just a little square, sort of about that size. That's it there. It folds into this, and then you can clip it back on. So I've got my keys, and I'll put my underwater camera in there. I'll put my phone in there. I've got my sunscreen. I've put that on. Got my sunglasses, and then also in here I've got my towel. It's pretty big. I've even got my flippers in there. There's my flippers. I think I'll only put one on though. And then under here I've also got my my full face mask, so that even fits in there as well. And because I need glasses to see long distance, I got prescription little lenses made, and there's like a little like a suction cup, and you just stick it on, so I can see under the water. So yeah, I'm really happy I did that. I had to order them from overseas. All right, so that's me ready to go. Let's do this. Let's go snorkeling. On the beach. I forgot to tell you, the bag has shoulder straps and also has handles as well. So yeah, so I've just been brought down here from, where are we? Wrong way. Over there. So that's our little bungalows right over there, and I think I can see my husband over there. So he's got us a couple of sun lounges, and we're just going to pop in here. We've got the whole beach to ourselves. Doesn't that look beautiful? Gorgeous beach. Actually, no, that wasn't the overwater bungalows. It's over here. I don't know what that is. That's it there. That's bungalows just over there. I was looking at the wrong thing. I had the sun in the screen. I couldn't see. But yeah, beautiful beach. So I'm going to go snorkeling. I'll put some footage in where I can. Hopefully there's some fish out there we can look at. There's our little overwater bungalows over there in the distance. Dave's found us a couple of sun lounges, and I really want to go sit on that swing that's out there and get our photos taken, so we're going to do that. And this is another bar that we haven't actually been to. Like, this is our third day and we haven't been here yet. There's so much to do and see. I haven't been here at all. Not sure what this one's called. Oh, the water is gorgeous. There's our bungalows. And let's head over to the swing. Bit of coral is there. Go around it. Yeah, I can't fall over and drop the phone. That's for sure.
Right.
You guys, look, there's jet skis. So we went and had a little cocktail at that bar. It was called the Beach Grill, I think it was called, Beach Grill. And then I called for a lift to take us over to the the water sports area, which is here. And we've just pulled up and they've got jet skis. I want to go on a jet ski. I wonder how much that costs. Because I was saying to David, I haven't seen any. I wonder if they do jet skis here. And yeah, apparently they do. So we might get some prices. I don't want to go out too far though. And just putt around here, I think. I wouldn't want to go out too deep in case I fell off and then I'm stuck in the ocean. I've seen too many shark horror movies with jet skis. Oh, I shouldn't watch them, should I? So these are all the excursions you can do here from this island. Dolphin and shark coral garden snorkeling, nurse shark snorkeling, turtle, manta, stingrays, 2 reefs. Yeah, I don't know what that even says. Okay, so that's them. What's this? Water sports over here. Gosh, there's lots of things. Water sports. Wakeboarding, kneeboarding, sea bob, fly boarding, fun tube, jet ski rent. What's that say? Jet ski tour? No, jet ski rent. 20 minutes, 123, that would be US dollars. So it's about 170 Australian, I think, for 20 minutes. I think that would be enough. All right, let's go and book this snorkeling with the stingrays tour. Yeah, guys, we're going on a jet ski. 20 minutes. Jump on, Dave. My life jacket on. gosh, that was exciting. We got airborne a few times, didn't we? That was great. That was so much fun. But we're going to go for a swim now. Let's get this sand off us before we go into the pool. It's my poor sore foot. I have no idea how it's got so bruised at the back, but anyway. Alright, let's go for a swim. And we can have a cocktail there, the swim up bar. Where will we leave our things, Dave? Find a spot.
Right then.
Under the tree. A shady spot.
We're going to be sitting out here, John.
Might for a little while. To dry off and then go for lunch. This looks like a nice spot.
Yeah, it's nice.
Bet you the water's warm here. Alright, let's jump in. We're just walking back from the pool. We had pina coladas at the pool bar there in the water. Walking back down to the grill bar, is that what it was called, David? We're going to have some, I don't know, hamburger or fish and chips or something for lunch. And this was on the way, so we thought we'd just come and have a little look at it. Not sure what it is. Little lookout point. Maybe people get married out here. Not sure, but it looks nice. So we'll just go and have a little look, take some photos. Nice thatched roof. It's just a little photo opportunity, isn't it? Take a photo of Dave. There's people out there snorkeling. Now when we were snorkeling earlier, that was on the other side of that walkway there. That's the walkway to our overwater bungalows. So on the other side of that walkway, the water was actually white. The current was really quite strong. Dave and I were both struggling with it. Even just walking back to get to land, trying to walk against the current was really strong. So we didn't stay there very long, didn't snorkel there very long, but we're thinking where we went for the swing earlier, we might go back and snorkel there because I think that's going to be a better option for us. There we go, another photo opportunity. Alright, let's go get some lunch. I thought this was a statue, but it's a real bird. We were talking to one of the other ladies this morning, and she said she came here and had a hot dog, and she just sat down and a bird took her. She had one bite of the hot dog and the bird just pinched the whole hot dog off her plate and flew off with it. So then all she had was chips left over. Just going to take a photo of it. There we go. Naughty bird. I'm going to hang on to my lunch so that you don't get it. Lunch is here. Burgers and cocktails. Dave's got a burger and beer. Look at the view. Can't get better than that, can you? Hey? How's that? Alright, we've got to guard our food with our lives in case this bird comes and takes it away. Sun's going down. Again, there's a little bit of cloud, so it's not a perfect sunset over the horizon, but it is pretty nonetheless. And, which way will we go? There was a boat. You probably can't see it, maybe just a little bit. There's another sunset cruise happening. I obviously do this every night, take people out. And Dave and I just had a nice quiet afternoon actually, after all our swimming and snorkeling and dolphin touring and everything. And so yeah, just had a quiet afternoon. I've had a shower. Look at this, the wind's drying my hair for me. I don't need a hairdryer tonight. He just sort of lay here on the sun lounges and did a little bit more snorkeling. I sat up in bed and watched a a movie. I downloaded some movies onto my tablet before we left Australia, so I watched a movie and did some editing on my videos for you, and now we're just waiting to be picked up for dinner. So yeah, I just thought I'd check in with you, and yeah, we're off to dinner. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Oh, I'm loving this. Look at that sunset. All right, he's here. Our driver's here. So here we are at the Sunset restaurant. Now this restaurant is only available to the guests that are staying in the overwater bungalows. The people staying in the overwater bungalows can also go to the other restaurants for dinner, but the other people can't come here. And each night they have a specialty night. So tonight is Thai night, tonight's Sunday. Tomorrow is Mexican, which is great because my two favourite is Thai and Mexican. And then on Tuesday there's Arabic, and then, well, we go Wednesday morning, so we're going to miss out on Korean, Maldivian, Persian and Sri Lanka night. So yeah, you can come and check. They still have all the other sorts of meals, but they just have like a couple of specialty meals. So let's go in and see if they're open yet. They open at 7:30. It's got another 5 minutes before the restaurant opens, but we're going to go walk around the side here and just go around the back and grab a table. How pretty is this, hey, at night with all the lights on? So yeah, you can just come sneak around the back. Don't tell anybody, okay? Shh, it's our secret. I think there's a saxophone player tonight. Either one of these tables looks pretty. Not sure what that's got on it there. This will do us. Lovely view. Hey, doesn't that look like a nice table? I'm sure there'll be some sharks swimming around very soon. Some big fish in there. I'll keep an eye out for the sharks. Let you know when they come. I think most people prefer to sit outside. So the restaurant's a bit empty, but it's only just opened, so it'll fill up. Let's go and see what's for dinner tonight. Ooh, sushi. That's new. I've never seen sushi here before. Yum. All kinds of little sliders. Prawn cocktails. Come and have a look over here. It's usually like entree, nibbly things over here. So we'll start with that. Chicken spring roll. I never know where to put my plate. I'm going to get a chicken spring roll. I'm going to get a prawn. I'll have to put the phone down. Some Thai noodles. I will come back for that. And some vegetable dim sims. Dim sims? Yeah, dim sims. So there we go. Look what I've got. I can't eat all that for an entree, but anyway, I'll give it a go and I'll come back and have some more of something else in a minute. I can hear the saxophone player. Let's go and have a look. Tell you what, guys, it's going to be so hard to go home in a few days. I don't want to go home. I want to stay here. I want to stay here forever. Hello. I'll do a quick little pan for you. I know a lot of you like to know what the meals include when you're coming to resorts like this. So there's Thai red curry seafood soup with coconut, saffron infused vegetable and lentil soup. We have steamed rice, Thai seafood braised rice, beef lasagna. So just remember, not everything's Thai tonight. There is, there's a variety of things. Oh, massamam duck. Yum, I love massamam. I did tell you my favourite is Thai and Mexican. Green curry. Oh, yum. And then back to the traditional roast potatoes, vegetables, roast chicken. Oops. Roast chicken with some gravy, paneer butter masala, and then there's always some curries for international guests and lots of sauces and condiments. We've been there already, seen the little sliders, and then there's always breads, bread and butter, rolls. I'll just show you everything and then I'll go and get my main. And then the desserts, there's an ice cream bar. You can grab a cone or you can grab a bowl. And there's ice creams, lemongrass, coconut, sago. I don't think I've ever had sago before. So you come into a place like this where everything's included and you don't have to pay for it. Well, additionally anyway, you could try things like sago pudding, if you've never tried it. You can try all these new foods that you've never tried. If you don't like it, that's fine. You can just taste something else. I don't know what these are. Almond tart, there's little shooters of some kind, little cakes, there's fruit, pineapple, watermelon, grapefruit, selection of cakes, pandan, cream, caramel, hello. Thai coconut custard, I think I'll try that. I've never had that before either. Chilled apple shooters, jackfruit, lychee, agar, fruit salad, mango rice pudding, and what looks like a hedgehog slice. So there we go, lots and lots of food to choose from. For that, it's going to be a good one. Here comes a stingray. Wow. It's the first time I've seen a stingray here. It's pretty cool. Off he goes. We might see some of those tomorrow as well.
My soul, wanna get lost here, rocking
unfortunately come to the end of another night here in the Maldives. We've just been dropped off by the buggy and really enjoyed the last couple of hours, just sitting back and relaxing, reminiscing with the old songs. There was a couple of twins up singing, and yeah, it was lovely. So thank you once again for spending the day with myself and my husband Dave. Hope you've enjoyed the day as much as we have, and yeah, looking forward to another action-filled day tomorrow. There's a big fish down there. Yeah, so come along, join us. It's going to be a lovely day. So thanks again for watching, and take care. Love you all. Bye for now.